Okay, thank you, Shamsa. Shamsa, send the homework. And Nagam, where is your homework, Nagam?
Mister, I sent it. I think it. I'll check now. I think it might have not sent properly. I'll check now.
And thank you, Latifa. And thank you, Moza. And thank you, Sheikha. And thank you, Alia. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Math grade 6. We will continue our revision, our extra practice. We are in the Model 8 area. Today we have this question. Maris is showing her sister how to build hexagons using a pattern blocks. Part A, describe two ways that you could decompose a hexagon into parts to find the area of the hexagon. Who can tell me how to find the area of the hexagon?
Mister, I'm Nagam. Can I try to answer, please?
Yes.
So we take the parts, like we divide it into parts, and then we do the area of one part. For example, here, like we have the area of one triangle, and then we multiply it by the amount of like triangles there are. Like a hexagon has 6 sides, which means like 6 triangles. So the area multiplied by 6 will be the answer.
Excellent, Nagam, thank you. Now I want from all find the area of one hexagon. Explain how you found your answer. Start, please. I want from all to find the area of the all hexagon. Start, please.
Mister, is the answer 87 millimeters?
87 millimeter or millimeter squared?
Millimeters squared.
Okay, thank you, Moza. Who has different answer?
Mister, I agree with Moza.
Okay, thank you, Alia. Who has different answer?
Mr. I'm Nagam, I agree with Moza too.
Thank you, Nagam. Who has different answer?
Mr. Shamsa, is it 87.2 millimeters squared?
Okay, thank you, Shamsa. Who has different answer? Right. As you see here, we have a triangle. This is the base, equal 10 millimeter, and this is the height. To find the area of the whole hexagon, find the area of one triangle, then multiply this area by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we have 6 triangles inside the hexagon, so multiply the area of this triangle by 6. So at the first, we want to find the area of the triangle. The rule, A equal 1 over 2, multiply by the base, multiply by the height. Means 1 over 2 times 10 times 8.7. 10 times 110 divided by 2 will be 5 times 8.7 will be 43.5 millimeter squared. This is the area of the triangle. This is the area of the triangle. Now the area of the hexagon. Yes, tell me please.
Mister, you can continue. It's okay.
The area of the hexagon will be 6 times the area of the triangle. 6 times the area of the triangle will be 6 times 43.5. Now 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 3 will be 21. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 2, 26. And the point after one digit. So we can remove the point with the 0. So the answer will be 261 millimeters squared. So nobody answered correct. This is wrong. The right answer will be what? 261. 261. Was any question here?
Mr. Nagam, I don't have a question, but the homework on Thursday, it failed to send. I think you just got it like 1 minute ago or something. I resent it.
And here the same idea. And here the same idea. Here the same idea. Right here. Exercise number 16. A polygon on a coordinate plane has a vertices. We have C0, 2, B minus 2, 8, and E minus 2 to find the area of the polygon. And I want to from all to draw the coordinate, then represent the points, then match between them, you will be find a triangle. Then I want from all to find the area of this triangle, please. Start, please.
Sir, is the answer 12 square units?
12 square unit. Maybe. Maybe.
Mister, I agree with Nara.
Mr. Shamsa, I agree with Nana.
Who has different answer? As you see, this is the coordinate plane. This is the first point, 0, 2, will be here. And this is the second point, minus 2, 8, will be here. And this is the third point, minus 2, 2, will be here. So much between the points, you find we have what? Right triangle, right triangle. So as you know, this is the base here, and here the height. The base here, as you see here, we have 2. The base, we have 2. And this is the height, from 2 to 6. 8 minus 2 will be what? Will be 6. Now we can find the area. As you know, the rule or the formula equal 1 over 2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6. So the answer will be 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 1 times 6, 6. So the answer will be 6 unit squared. So nobody answered correct. This is wrong. Who has any question? Number 18, a polygon on a coordinate plane has vertices A and B and C and D. The area of the polygon is 40 square units. What are the coordinates of point C? Explain how you found your answer. I want from all to draw the coordinate plane, then try to represent A and B and D. We cannot represent C because we don't know the location of X and Y. Then you have the area. I want from all to match or to draw this coordinate, then try to find what is the location of X and Y. Start, please.
Mister, I'm not sure, but is it 14 and 7?
14, 7. Okay, thank you, Nagam, maybe.
Mister, because here it says 40 square units, and if we take, I think if we take A and B, they will equal 6. So I'm not sure what multiplied by 6 will equal 40.
Okay, who has different answer?
Mister,
Yes.
I didn't understand this question.
Okay. Who has different answer here? Okay. The first step, draw the coordinate. Represent the first order pairs. A, 5 in x minus 3 in y. Here 5 in x, here minus 3 in y, so the point A will be here. Then represent the second point, 0 in x minus 3 in y. This is 0 in x minus 3 in y, this is B. Then represent D, 5, 5. This is 5 in x and 5 in y. So the point will be here. Now match between them. Now we have 3 vertices. We have the fourth vertex missing value. We want to find the location of CXY. We know the area. We know the area. Right. How to know what is the type of this figure? And as you see, the distance from D to the X will be 5. And the distance from X to the A will be 3. So the all distance here will be 8. And the distance from A to the Y, as you see, will be 5. And as you see here, 8 times 5 equal what? Equal 40. The same area. Right. Means here we have length times width. Length times width. Right. This formula for which figure? Which formula for which figure to solve the area?
Polygon.
For rectangle. For the rectangle. Means the polygon will be rectangle. The polygon will be rectangle. So if the length here 8, the length will be here what? Will be 8. So the point will be here. This is C. So the location of C, as you see, no location in X. No location in X means 0. The location just where in the Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can write the location will be 0, 5. The location of C will be 0, 5 means X equals 0 and Y equal 5. Who has any question here?
No one, thank you.
Number 19, Handel and Charles plan to rent one of the two community garden space shown. Space A, rent for $1.50 per square unit. And space B, rent for 1.25 per square unit. Handel and Charles will save by renting. يا صباح الورد.
طولنا وسهلا
تمام الله يبارك فيك.
احنا بنجمع علشان نجيب هديه فاطمه نكرم ليها وفي اسيستنت يعني تساعدها في التسويق.
تمام.
ننتظر عليه يعني.
طيب اخر الدوام علي.
لا مش مشكله.
So Handel and Charles will save by renting space. I want from all to try to find this problem. Start, please. Who can answer me here?
Just one moment, Mr. Please.
Mr.
Yes.
Is that answer 32?
32 square unit or $32
Unit.
unit squared.
Yes.
So Sheikha said the answer will be 32 unit squared.
Mr. I agree with Sheikha.
Repeat please.
I agree with Sheikha.
Okay, thank you.
Mister, I'm not sure, but is it 336 units squared?
Maybe, thank you. Right, listen to me. Here we have two triangles. Triangle with space A and the big triangle with space B. The big triangle with space B. As you know, when you want to find the area of the triangle, the rule or the formula 1/2 times base times height. So we want or we need the base and the height for each triangle. For the first triangle, this is the base. This is the base. Now I draw here the coordinate to represent the base. This is the coordinate, as you see. This is the origin. And from here to here we have 3. Because here the point here 3, 1 means the x here 3. And from here to here also we have 3. Because here we have minus 3, 1. 3 plus 3 will be 6. So the base here equals 6. So we can write A for the space A equal 1/2 times the base will be 6 times, this is the height, this is the height. As you see here, 0.5, this point 0.5 means the height 5. So this is the height, this is the height. H equal 5, so times 5. Now 5 times 6, 30. 30 times 1, 30. 30 divided by 2 will be 15 unit squared. This is the area of A, the space A. And the area of the space B, the same formula, 1/2 times. But this is the base. This is the base of B. So, as you see, this is the origin. From here to here, we have a 3. And from here to here, we have 9. So, the base here will be what? Will be 9. So we can write times 9. And the height, as you see from here to here, as you see the y here will be 8. So the h equal 8. Eight times 9 will be 72. 72 times 1 will be 72. 72 divided by 2 will be 36 unit squared. Now I know the area of the space A and I know the area of the space B. How to find the cost? How to find the cost? Renting space, we have here 15 plus 36. يسعد صباحك يا محمود. Plus 36. 15 plus 36 will be 51 units squared. But I want to find the amount of the rent. How to find the amount of the rent? Now, at the first, take the space of A. C1 means the cost of the rent for the space A equal the space, the area 15 times rent for 1.50 per square unit. This is for space A times 1.5. And the second cost take the space 36 times space B rent for 1.25. Now the first cost 15 times 1.5, the answer will be $22.5. And the second cost will be 36 times 1.25. So the answer will be $45. So the total cost will be to 22.5 plus 44. The answer will be $67.5. Who has any question here?
No, thank you, Mr.
Okay, great for all. So this is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.